Hi, I'm Philip from Philip Carry On Style. Today I'm going to be doing a look for you that encompasses two different influences. Now what I'm seeing out there on the runways and on the red carpet is a lot of asymmetry. So I'm going to be doing a look that is heavy or has length on one side and we duck away the other to give a really sexy hot look. The other influence is a very late 1970s look, and the 1970s were a very fun, free time when the hair was wild and big and crazy and sexy. So you can see we just got a nice finish on the hair, a nice polish from the blow dryer and the round brush. And now we get the prep really going. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and go through, and I'm gonna start here, up here at the crown. And I'm gonna take just like a couple inch section that's like maybe 4 inches wide and a couple inches thick, and just take your dry texturizer and spray it on the roots kind of out to the mid shaft. Continue spraying your dry texturizer throughout the hair. Make sure to spray everywhere. This will give body and volume and a great prep. Briskly rub the scalp to accentuate the volume. What I'm going to do is start here with a section at the crown again. Okay, take a nice, section like what you did when you were spraying the dry texturizer on. And I'm just, see how when you take the fine teeth of the comb and you just push down a little bit. The texturizer and your blow dry and everything has prepped your hair for that. When you let go of it, it still stands up. So you're getting all that lift at the roots. For maximum volume and support, tease on both sides of the section. See how I only backcomb from underneath? This helps to blend the tease section with the very bottom that isn't. Comb all the way through the section before teasing for a smooth finish. This whole side section will move tightly away from the face to create the asymmetry. Notice how I only backcomb on the back side of the section. This builds the support but hides the teasing behind the section, leaving the front smooth. See how that just stands right out? That's because of all that prep work. Take these key areas in the bang section and again backcomb from behind. Push the teasing down at the root for a great cushion of lift. I'm using a standard barrel size, so kind of like about a 1-inch barrel, and I'm going to go in close to the roots, okay? So I hold on to the tip of the hair, right here like this. I go in close to the roots and do like 1.5 curls. And then I let it out. Now look at your ends. All I'm gonna do is just take it and hit it a slight bit, almost just run it through. I want it to stay straight, but I don't want it to be dead straight. Pull this back because it's gonna go back, and get your movement right in the middle, like right close to the roots, out to the middle, okay? And then if you want to, you can just run that through just a little bit, just get a little bit of bend on it. Curl your hair close to the scalp only. Notice how some of the sections you don't need to curl the ends. I'm gonna lift again at the roots. Roll away from the face, focusing the curl in the middle of the section. Continue curling randomly at the root area, holding on to the ends. Then take your ends and curl them back. So this is a key area, and I want to make sure I get a nice finish on it. So you can see I've picked up the brush, and what I'm going to do is roll back. I'm keeping it on the root area first, and then I'm kind of coming out of it. I don't want that curly, so I'm going to pull on that while it's hot. Okay, so while it's cooling, I'm doing what? I'm stretching out the curl a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is take a little bit of hairspray and just emphasize the big. I want this really clean. I'm not going to use a lot of hairspray, and I'm going to keep it a little bit of a distance to not get it too wet. Teasing and wet don't go together. And put it in here right behind her ear. It's a nice little tiny gripper bobby pin. And what I like to do is crisscross the bobby pins. Okay, this is a great tip. When you crisscross the bobby pins, they lock into place and they won't slide out of your hair. See how sometimes you can just pick up a piece of hair and let the curling iron do the work, let the curling iron bend it. I'm not twirling it around, I'm not doing anything, but watch this little wave that happens just from pressing the curling iron against it. And this is the asymmetrical 1970s big hair with lots of texture. Thank you, Lorena.
Thank you. I love my hair. It's flirty, it's sexy. It just makes me feel like I just want to go out and meet some boys. Wait, I have a boyfriend.